I'm right.
Give me 6 pack.
6 pack.
Nothing.
Ayikho.
So, kunjani? Nice thing.
Umnandi. I'm happy to be here, good man. Yeah, got some experience. You can see even here, there's top facilities. Mini ground is so ngicela ukudlala kuze nge-match day. Ndi-trainer kuyo. So yonke the top. I'm happy bala, good man.
And then, as a team, how are you guys feeling?
Yeah, as you can see, everyone is laughing. Yeah, confidence. Yeah, machita like you can't say kuna machita wafika like thina sisando join because team spirit sidibene siyavana, so yonke ndi right nansi into engayicho.
And then, is it a dream come true for you in your career?
Yeah, it's a dream come true because binto kade bendinqwenela ukudlala top team. Yeah, but now it's not time for that. Yeah, it's time to work now. Yeah, so meeting sebenze, going into the team, and then you get step by step.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Kunjani man? Khona njani?
Siyaphila. Sonke. Kunjani this year? Ungekho last year.
Kumnandi nje ngiza ngijabulile ukuthi ngiqala nje ukuya eSpain ngize nabantu engijwayele ukudlala nabo.
And then yini leyo uyifundayo ekusizayo obona ukuthi yapha next season?
Into engisizayo nje ukuthi ngibekezele ngiphushe ngidlala ngokuyikhandla lokho nje.
And then angitshela ngale Cox.
Hayi phela ikhokho nzima kakhulu uyabona nawe. Ngithanda nje ukuthi igcwele unyawo. Yonke into engifuna ukwenza iyenzeka.
Siyabonga baba.
Siyabonga.
How are you, mate?
No, hey, Rumi.
How are you, mate?
Hey, good Travis Scott.
I heard the master chef calling you Travis Scott.
That's my new nickname.
That's your new nickname?
Yeah,
What's your new nickname?
Travis Scott.
Why?
I just like Travis Scott a lot. I play his music, so that's why they call me Travis Scott.
And then it has nothing to do with the
Yeah, well,
the new. Let me get a view. Tell me about this new haircut.
No, I think it's something that I wanted to do on the off season, and it's gonna be my new look for the season. So I'm very happy about it.
Inspired by
Travis Scott. Thank you.
Well done.
They're running, boss. They're running. We gaan het Mr. Oswanapolis. Hoe gaan het, bro?
Is it right inside?
That's alright, man. No, look at the camera. Don't look at me, boss. How are you?
I'm good.
How does it feel to be in Malaga, España?
It's very nice here. Yes.
You man, just express yourself.
It's amazing, boss.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think he has a bit of a flu. He's not used to this environment. So you get used to it. Ntate Mofokeng, how are you?
Hey baba, I'm still
You must put this one on, eh? You must put this one on. How are you, my brother?
I'm still begging.
Tell me about baking. Ware moho. Ware. Chapoa.
I'm good, how are you, bro?
I'm good, man. How does it feel being back to your original pre-season camp in Spain?
I feel alive, eh? You know, football is back, you know, we are back, you know. Just brings back my life, eh?
How was the rest?
Short, but then yeah, it's work. What can you say, bro?
Time with the family. I see you are hosting tournaments there. This guy is a big player. He's hosting big tournaments there in Sharpeville.
Hey, bro.
I don't need my brother foundations and everything. Hey, Manal, you're a big player, my brother. But how are you finding the new guys in the team?
Yeah, they're very good people, you know. Yeah, they're coming out right. I think they must just get used to us, and yeah, then everything we're going to see as time goes.
All right. No, thank you. That is me,
Thank you.
your host from Malaga, Spain.